Hello everyone, today is 18 September 2018. Today's important article in The Hindu newspaper. This is in editorial column 2 plus 2, what is between US and India. And this news is coming from 2002. It is not like this is from like yesterday's news or like this. Okay, you might have come across this word COMCASA, Communication, Compatibility and Security Agreement. This COMCASA word is very important. They may ask you in SSB or they may ask you something questions related to this. Since this is an international relation, they will ask you some questions related to this. Today's latest news, there is a trade war between India, US and China. US President Donald Trump, he has increased the tariff and there is a war between China and US. So how it is going to affect India and how this US and China is going to play an important role for India's growth. Now here, US has a plan for India. These are the four important agreements. The first one, second, third and fourth. According to US plan, according to US strategy, if India becomes the member or if India signs all these four agreements, we will be directly depending on the security given by US. For example, whatever defense technology or whatever communication technology they give, India will be directly dependent on US. Okay, they will get all the technological developments. Now, in 2002, way back in 2002, General Security of Military Information Agreement was signed between US and India. US was successful in making India sign this first point. The second, Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. This was signed in 2016, 2 years back, and this was asked in CDS examination. What was the agreement? What was the need or what is the motive of this? Today in 2018, COMCASA, this is the agreement signed between US and India. So after so many years, US is successful in signing this COMCASA. Now they are just short of one agreement, that is called Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geospatial Cooperation. And why US want to sign all these four deals? Because when India buys all the technology, US will be ruling the Asia part. In 1990, when Cold War got over, they backed out from Afghanistan. Today there is a war in Syria, but they want to somehow tape this Chinese growth. This is one important issue. Now, coming back to this BIMSTEC issue. BIMSTEC, we have to take care of our neighboring countries. One is Nepal and another is Bhutan. Nepal President Mr. KP Oli, he is a pro-Chinese leader. He always is supporting China. Now, what is the latest uprising or what is the latest thing happening between Nepal and India? For the first time in Nepal and Indian history, military exercise has been cancelled between Nepal and India. Otherwise, there is a lot of military exercise that has been cancelled. And you should very well remember, Nepal always gave honorary general to our Indian officers like military ranks. And what is the dispute between Nepal and India? There are some tribes or there are some people called Madeshis. They are near the borders of Nepal and India. Indians are not taking them as Indian citizens. They are telling after 2008, these Madeshis, they belong to Nepal and they have to be citizen of Nepal. So there is a dispute between India and Nepal. India is not so friendly with other neighboring nations. Another example of Bhutan. You very well know that China, they are going to build some pearls or string of pearls or one belt, one road. On the same way, India is trying to build BBIN, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. Here, this Bhutan country is very important because Bangladesh said yes, Nepal said yes, but Bhutan backed out of this agreement. Now Bhutan is telling their country will be under pollution effect or their environment will be affected due to these projects. So Bhutan has come out of this project and it is a big blow for India. Now, there is an article on Periyar. His birthday was yesterday. So what are the expected questions from Periyar? He was called as EVR Ramsamy. Now he started self-respect movement. Indian history, this movement is very important. Self-respect movement. They may ask you like Brahmo Samaj, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Like this, Periyar, he was responsible for self-respect movement, Justice Party. Then nowadays, you know what happened with DMK and AIDMK. Another important article was on rivers, that is on Ganga river. It is polluted. Yesterday it was on headlines, but today it is in editorial column. When you see Ganga, when you see river, just classify as northern rivers, southern rivers, what are the tributaries, what are the left bank tributaries, what are the right bank tributaries, what is the origin, and that's it. And try to write notes in this manner. Try to write notes of these rivers, origin points, what are the dams, how many states this flow, which direction it flows, and which ocean or which sea it goes, and meets with. So this is what is enough from today's newspaper. Like this, daily we will be discussing each and every article, even subjects, history, polity. Thank you. For more videos, keep watching Cavalry India.